to part one of our virtual travel guide series designed just for you. We hope you and your loved ones are safe and sound at home and taking all of the precautionary measures necessary during this difficult and unprecedented time. But for now, we wanted to provide you with a virtual taste of a possible next adventure or journey when the time permits. And more importantly, we want to help you save more time, energy, and money during that process. And your vacation expert can help you along the way, answering any questions that you might have. After all, who doesn't want a savings, right? So let's face it, with the world as we know it right now and all the travel restrictions, it's socially responsible for none of us to travel, and we need to do what is best for our safety and security. But who said we can't daydream? So let's dive in. If your cruise or vacation was impacted and you're just like me, daydreaming about your next time you can travel, then it's time to take advantage of this opportunity and start thinking about what that travel will look like. You may have received an FTC or an FCC, either a future travel credit or a future cruise credit. These credits will give you back what you paid for on your original vacation and give you an opportunity to apply them on a future vacation so that daydreaming can become a reality. Taking advantage of these credits, it's important to reach out to your vacation expert where they can guide you along in the process and help you find the best deal, where not only can you take advantage of applying these cruise credits or travel credits, but you can take advantage of the multiple offers that are available and really extend your value that much more. By working with the vacation expert, the true hero in vacation planning, you're well on your way to exploring and discovering different parts of the world. After all, why would you want to go through hours of research without relying on an expert to begin with? Your agent will be your travel advocate who can be there to guide you, hold your hand, and do all of the research or help you plan your next big adventure. More importantly, they're going to have access to amazing discounts, exclusive offers, and promotions. But more importantly, they're just going to take the headache away from the planning process and make sure that you can daydream now and plan for your next amazing dream vacation. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to your vacation specialist today so they can help you get the most bang for your buck and help you to continue daydreaming about your next vacation adventure. I don't know about you, but I'm going to need one real soon. Looking forward to seeing you on part 2 of our virtual travel guide series. Have a great day.